Sometimes there are cases when you really require the ability to copy multiple entities at once. Without this capability, it can be annoying, switching between different windows or different files of your application to copy entities one by one. Exactly for such cases, an application like Flycut Clipboard Manager can come in handy. The application is absolutely free, and it's quite easy to find it in the App Store. From the moment you install this app, you can copy as many entities as you want in the same way as you did before. But to paste, you need to press not Command ++ V, as you might be accustomed to, but Command + Shift + V. Of course, you can change this in the app settings. After you've copied as many as you want entities, then just press the hotkey Command Shift V, and then you will get a pop-up with recently copied entities. You're able to choose a specific one for pasting via keyboard arrows. Additionally, you can check the list of copied entities by clicking on the app icon. Also, you can clear or merge all you copied before if you need it.